माननीय श्री प्रमोद बोरो जी।
Thank you, Deputy Chairman sir. National Cooperative Development Corporation Amendment Bill 2026 को स्वागत करते हुए मैं नोट इसके कनेक्शन में कुछ मेरे विचार में लाना चाहता हूँ। Sir, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Minister of Corporation Sri Amit Shah ji, the vision of Sahakar se Samriddhi is reaching every corner of our nation. For decades, the NCDC Act of 1926 restricted funding to routing through state governments. In regions like the Northeast, where cooperative density is very low, Assam having only around 6,400 active societies compared to over 2 lakhs in states like Maharashtra, this traditional model creates severe bottlenecks. Sir, this bill addresses these disparities through 4 major reforms. Number 1, special focus on low density region by enabling direct funding and equity participation in non-cooperative service entities, startups and specialized bodies. NCDC can now actively build cooperative infrastructure in underdeveloped areas like 6 scheduled areas, sir. Number 2, sir, direct capital equity infusion. NCDC can directly extend loan grants and equity support to modern technology and cold chain providers that directly support our grassroots PACs and women's SSGs. Number 3, expanding local agro-industry scopes, removing geographical restrictions on industrial cooperatives and broadening the definition of processed foodstuff, unlock vital capital for Assam's Irimuga, silk, bamboo, Zoha rice and horticulture sector, sir. Sir, number 4, credit discipline integration, sharing credit data with Reserve Bank of India and Credit Bureau strengthens risk assessment and helps rural, tribal entrepreneurs access collateral-free credit, sir. Sir, I ask the Ministry to ensure that dedicated NCDC corpus earmarked for 6 scheduled areas to accelerate this transformation. I wholeheartedly support this bill and urge the House to pass it unanimously. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू माननीय प्रमोद बोरो जी।